Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to work on HUMANATIC at the comfort of your home. You don't have to worry. So HUMANATIC is whereby you get paid to review calls. On to the first step, we log in on the HUMANATIC website. You're basically paid to review calls. Yes, and also they pay you via PayPal. You make sure that your PayPal is verified so that you can be eligible to this website. Also a screenshot of what I earned, showing that this website is legit. Yes, we sign up. If you're new, you sign up. You make sure that your PayPal is verified in order to join HUMANATIC. Yes, but since I have an account, we're going to log in. Yes, I'm going to fill in my login credentials. Close your eyes. Yeah, you must verify your face so that they can verify you're a true person, you're a human, not a robot. A moment. Yeah, I want to be anonymous. Yeah, we are done. It's a short process. Yeah, we are logging into my account, and I've already showed you the payments I received through my PayPal account as I showed you. You click on review calls. Yeah, since I'm not new, they won't show me the guidelines. Yes, we have the outboard and the inboarding. They do give out the guidelines to new people, and there's 5 sample questions. If you pass, you go on to working at the first. So here is the audio work.
To an automatic voice message system.
Depinder
Is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options. If you are satisfied with your message, press 1. To erase and re-record, press 3. To continue recording where you left off, press 4. Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Click break after this call if you'd like to
0
take
is
a
not
break.
available. At the tone,
You can work at any time. Yes, I click submit. Then I'll also want to show you something where you can review your earnings, and that's it. Yeah, simple as and short as that. Yeah. Yes, loves, and that's all for today's video. And I've had a lot of positive feedback from you guys. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.